Hello travelers, and welcome to another episode of Teresa's Travel Tales. I'm super excited about this episode. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my very first Fab Fit Fun box. This is the fall box, and I have not looked in here, so I have no idea what's in here. And I know a lot of people have already posted videos on YouTube of what's in here, but I did not watch any of them because I didn't want to be I didn't want to know what was in here. I wanted to be surprised. So let's get started and see what's in my very first Fab Fit Fun box. It's really heavy. So the first thing is a little magazine, and I will look at this later. And here is a coupon for $3 off a box of Luna bars. And here's a card where you can share Fab Fit Fun with a friend and they will get $10 off their first box. I actually got $10 off this box by using someone's code that I had watched on YouTube. So it's got a really cute little sticker on here. And now we're gonna dig in. So I got a Luna bar and it's salted caramel nuts. Oh, this is really cute, and I actually need this, so this is perfect. It is an umbrella, and I'm not going to open it inside because that's bad luck. But I needed an umbrella, and it's got this cute little case, so that's just perfect. It's got little black designs. Looks like flowers. It's Catherine Malandrino. That's the brand. So I really like that. Next is shower gel by Skin and Company. It says Blue in Capri, the Italian collection, with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. I'll take the lid off. Oh, it's sealed. That's why I can't smell it. I don't want to break the seal right now. And here is this shower gel. And this is a Hydro Repair Day Cream, Camilla Geranium Blossom. We actually have a dog named Camilla. I guess I'm saying that flower right. Could be Camilla.
I think it's
Camellia? Well, whatever. It's that flower. And this has, well, I will just show you and you can freeze it on there and see. And the brand is Grown Alchemist. It says it has no toxins or carcinogens. And this is a day cream. And it is sealed also, but I can break it with this. And it's a pretty big tube. And it smells really good. Lemony. God, that smells really good. Next is a blending sponge, beauty blender. You can always use these. And then there are two of these Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. There's two of them. We'll definitely have to give these a shot. I got two, so I can share one. This, it says Simply Whimsical Towel. So these are kitchen towels. Again, something you can always use, never have enough of these. So they're white and gray. And there's two. The next is, it says Yoga Detox Bath. And it says post practice, so I guess you use this after you do yoga, relaxing soak ritual. Made with, I'm not going to try to pronounce these, I'll just show you. It's pretty big, so you can take a nice detox bath. And it's pretty heavy, so I would imagine you would get several uses out of this. It says use 3/4 of a cup and soak 10 to 20 minutes. I'll definitely give that a try. This says ceramic and stainless steel teapot. And it is from the brand Alfred, and it says that you can purchase the teas online at alfred.la. So let's see what this teapot looks like. Very cute. My daughter's over there eyeing me because she wants it. Oh, that is so cute. This is precious. It has the lid and you put your tea in here. So this is adorable. Beautiful colors, just light blue. I hope it's showing up with pink and white flowers. So yeah, this is super cute. I love that. And we are down to the last item in the bag. Let me open this. And it's got the nice bag to keep it in. And this is a super nice tote bag. It is vegan leather. Well, that's awesome. So here's the back. And here's the front. That's a really nice bag. I can use this to carry my notebooks and things in. So that was a lot of fun. I'm really excited for my first Fab Fit Fun box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in here. And thank you for spending time with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this with unboxings and hauls. And also, I am a travel agent with Keys to the Kingdom Travel, so I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on tips and tricks for planning your vacations to Disney and Universal. So subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.